Hi, my name is Kevin Mayer, and I'm with NAVAC HVAC Tools. NAVAC is a new brand to the United States, but our parent company, Value Mechanical and Electrical Products, has been building vacuum pumps and HVAC tools for over 2 decades worldwide as an OEM manufacturer. A little while ago, we decided to come into the United States with our own brand name and chose the name NAVAC. We build high quality tools at a mid-price point range. We try to innovate and reimagine all of the tools to make your job easier. One of NAVAC's most unique tools is our intelligent vacuum pump. It comes in either 6 or 8 CFM, weighs only 25 pounds, has a built-in micron gauge, and an electric solenoid valve that will close on shutdown or accidental power loss, ensuring you will not lose your vacuum. It has a 2-speed DC inverter drive motor. It runs on high speed down to 500 microns. Once it reaches 500 microns, the pump then drops down to low speed and will run for another 30 minutes for the degassing phase of the evacuation. Once it's completed that phase, it will beep to let you know you have reached your ultimate vacuum and you're ready to charge the system. It has an oversized oil sight glass and a 2-year over-the-counter warranty.
I think it's quick. Dude.
Gets it all out fast?
Yeah, that's quick, dude. Usually it takes about, for another one, it'll take about 10 minutes. The ultimate vacuum in 15 microns.
Okay. Go ahead and close your valve. NAVAC standard vacuum pumps also come in 6 and 8 CFM, are lightweight at only 25 pounds. They too have the electric solenoid valve to close on shutdown or accidental loss of power. They do have a DC inverter drive motor, however it's only single speed, so you will run at high speed for your entire evacuation. The NAVAC digital micron gauge is extremely accurate, reads down to single-digit microns, comes with a padded case, and the accessories you may need to attach to a refrigeration or air conditioning system. One of NAVAC's most innovative tools is a refrigerant charging machine. With a built-in 6 CFM vacuum pump, micron gauge, and integrated with an electronic weigh scale to weigh in the charge after evacuation and leak test. It weighs about the same as a standard vacuum pump, including the scale and accessories. The electronic scale can be either used standalone or with the charging station. When used standalone, it uses a Bluetooth handheld keypad. It has a large, easy-to-read LED display with built-in micron gauge and evacuation timer, and it also has digital manifold gauges. Used with either high and low side connections or just a single access port for small ductless applications. It calculates the evacuation time based on the program charge or trim charge weight. The electronic manifold is used to verify correct operating temperatures on system startup. This machine comes with a 2-year over-the-counter warranty. The NAVAC electronic refrigerant scale has a Bluetooth connected programmable keypad which stores in the scale side panel. It can be purchased standalone and comes with a heavy-duty carrying bag, or it comes with the smart charging machine. It has a maximum of 220-pound platform scale capacity, so you can use even the largest of cylinders on this scale.
Disconnect in.
So yeah, for me.
Another unique tool to the NAVAC brand is our battery-operated flaring tool. It's fast, simple to use, making consistent, quality 410A flares. You can flare all day long without having to recharge batteries. You can flare tubing from 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch. It comes with 4 tube holders for the most common sizes and 2 other die which can be changed out very quickly if you have to make the larger flare sizes. It has an eccentric flaring cone that burnishes the flare to ensure a smooth seal surface. It comes with 2 batteries, a tubing cutter, a reamer, and a hard plastic carrying or storage case, and it has a 2-year over-the-counter warranty. NAVAC manufactures extremely rugged manifolds. The bodies are all machined aluminum with brass fittings, and we have quarter-turn ball valves instead of needle valves for added durability. The digital gauges are compatible with 12 different refrigerants most commonly used around the world. You find the gauges are well wrapped, well protected, and should stand up to many years of use in the field.
How's it going? We properly charged the system. I just released all the nitrogen. We have no leaks, so the next step is to get our vacuum pump to vacuum any moisture, dirt, or any contaminants that are inside the refrigerant line.
NAVAC also makes a heavy-duty hand flaring tool. The handle has a clutch built in so you can't overspread the flare, a sliding depth gauge to ensure the proper depth flare for our 410A fittings, and an eccentric cone which will also burnish as you flare. We also make an inner and outer reamer, all metal construction, heavy duty, and very simple to use and will last a long time. The NAVAC tubing cutter has all ball bearing construction. The rollers are notched to cut off flares from either side. It's well balanced, easy to use, has smooth operation, and it even has ball bearings in the cutting wheel to make it easier to cut the tubing without deforming it. The NAVAC refrigerant recovery machine uses single knob operation, has an oilless twin-cylinder compressor. It will handle both liquid and vapor for faster recovery, has built-in high pressure and overcurrent protection. It comes with an 80% full float sensor cable. It's light, fast, reliable, and easy to use.
Back.
That's what I was
Yeah.
thinking too. If
You
I
don't
like,
have too many guys either.
if you want to stand in the, I was thinking like if you stand over here and then.
Thank you for checking out the innovative HVACR tools from NAVAC, a new name with new technology from a proven manufacturer. Ask for them at your local wholesaler or write to us at info@navacglobal.com. That's info@navacglobal.com, making your job more enjoyable.